Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best cooking pellets is probably one of the most crucial decisions a pitmaster can make, as the type of wood used directly influences the smoke flavor infused into your food, transforming a simple meal into a culinary masterpiece and elevating your grilling game to an entirely new level of deliciousness. Number 5. Kona Wood Pellets All Variety Pack for Ninja Woodfire. Experience the rich, authentic taste of wood-fired cooking. Our pellets are made from carefully selected hardwoods, ensuring superior flavor for every meal. Discover a range of exceptional flavors with our variety pack. It includes 8 different premium blends and single-species pellets, giving you plenty to explore. These are perfect for any grill, smoker, or even directly on charcoal. Simply add them to your setup to infuse your food with delicious smoke. Enjoy the concentrated aroma of 100% hardwood. A small amount goes a long way, providing amazing flavor for up to 80 uses. Achieve the perfect thin blue smoke that pitmasters love. These pellets burn hotter and cleaner, enhancing your grilling performance and the taste of your food. Designed to work seamlessly with your Ninja Woodfire grill, oven, and smoker. Get ready for incredible flavor. What we like. If you love experimenting with different wood flavors, this variety pack is for you. It offers a wide range of 8 distinct flavors, ensuring you have the perfect smoke for any meat or dish. You should consider this if you are looking for versatility and want to explore the nuances of different hardwoods without committing to a large bag of a single type. What people say. They burn cleanly and provide a flavorful and full smoky flavor to the meats we have tried: chicken quarter, turkey breast, and beef. The pellets are 100% wood as required by the grill. This is a great option for trying different flavors of smoke. I use these for my Ninja XL grill, which only needs about half a cup full per use, been using since last September, 2025, and have plenty left for more smoking meat meals. Number 4. Kona Pizza Blend Wood Smoker Pellets. Elevate your pizza nights with our premium wood smoker pellets. Made from 100% natural hardwood, they deliver a rich, smoky flavor that's perfect for any pizza oven. Experience the pure taste of 100% natural hardwood. These pellets are crafted to infuse your pizzas with an authentic smoky essence, enhancing every bite. Whether you're using a dedicated pizza oven, a smoker, or smoker tubes, these pellets are the ideal fuel. They are designed to create the perfect pizza experience. Unlock a new level of flavor for your homemade pizzas. These pellets are designed to unleash amazing, rich smoky tastes that will impress your family and friends. Achieve pizza perfection with our specially crafted blend. They are made to infuse your pizzas with the ideal amount of rich smoky flavor for an unforgettable meal. Enjoy the irresistible taste of rich smoke, derived from natural hardwood. These pellets are your secret ingredient for creating pizzas that are both delicious and authentic. What we like. For the ultimate pizza enthusiast, this blend is a game changer. It's specifically crafted to impart that authentic, rich smoky flavor that elevates homemade pizzas to a new level. If you are looking to perfect your pizza oven game or want that wood-fire taste on your pizzas, this is the one to choose. What people say. So the pellets work great in my pizza oven. Gave our pizza the wood-fire taste that we love. Burns quick and starts easy. Number 3. Kona Wood Pellets Variety Pack for Ninja Woodfire Grill. Experience the best barbecue smoking pellets variety pack. It provides an outstanding variety of flavors for an entire grilling season, with only a small amount needed per use. It's compatible with your Ninja Woodfire outdoor grill. This pack includes 8 pounds total of premium USA hardwoods. You'll get 4 distinct flavors: Supreme Blend, Cherry, Apple, and Mesquite. Each comes in a convenient 2-pound resealable bag. Enjoy pure, natural flavor with these pellets. They are sustainably sourced and contain no fillers, additives, or artificial flavors. Just authentic hardwood taste for your grilling. While perfect for your Ninja Woodfire grill, it also works with other grill types using a smoker tube. Simply add it to a smoker tube and place it on your grill, or sprinkle directly onto charcoal. Elevate your barbecue with rich, smoky flavors that enhance every meal. These pellets are designed to bring out the best in your grilled dishes. With 80 uses per pack, you're set for an entire grilling season. Each use requires only 1/3 to 1/2 cup, making it an economical choice for great flavor. What we like. This variety pack is perfect for those who enjoy a good selection of popular smoking woods. With 4 distinct flavors, it provides ample opportunity to enhance a variety of dishes throughout the grilling season. If you like classic wood-fired tastes and want a generous amount to experiment with, this option offers great value and variety. What people say. The Kona pellets are larger than the Ninja pellets and smoke for much longer. I very much like that the packages for Kona pellets suggests uses for each of the wood pellets included in the grouping. I have found this to be very helpful. Today I smoked 4 pounds of chicken wings using stackable racks in order to smoke and cook all of them at once. For this cook, I used the apple pellets. I used probes and wings on the upper and lower levels, smoked at 225 degrees to a temperature of 165 degrees, and put them in the smoker. Including the time for igniting the pellets, it took about 45 minutes for the wings on both levels to get to 165 degrees. Surprisingly, both levels got up to temp in about the same amount of time, and all of them were a wonderful golden brown and very moist and tender. Number 2. Kona All-Purpose Wood Pellets Variety Pack. Experience authentic wood-fired taste with our variety pack. It offers a wide range of flavors perfect for your entire grilling season, with each use requiring only a small amount. Crafted from 100% premium hardwoods sourced in the USA. You'll receive a selection of oak, hickory, premium blend, and sweetwood blend for diverse culinary creations. Enjoy pure, natural flavor with no fillers, additives, or artificial ingredients. Our pellets are made from sustainably sourced materials for a clean burn. Easily enhance your grilling by adding them to a smoker tube or directly onto charcoal. They are designed to work with many grill types for added convenience. Transform your barbecue with these rich, smoky flavors. They are perfect for enhancing every meal and impressing your guests with delicious results. What we like. If you appreciate the foundational flavors of barbecue, this pack is an excellent choice. It focuses on 4 premium, classic hardwood blends that are essential for any grill master. You should consider this if you are looking for reliable, high-quality wood pellets that deliver consistent, delicious results for all your grilling needs. What people say. The Kona pellets are larger than the Ninja pellets and smoke for much longer. The packages for Kona pellets suggests uses for each of the wood pellets included in the grouping. This group includes hickory, oak, premium blend and sweetwood blend. The first load of these pellets lasted over 2 hours. I added more pellets for the rest of the cook and ignited them. These lasted to the end of the cook with some to spare. Number 1. Kona Hickory Smoker Pellets for Ninja Woodfire Grill. Experience rich, savory wood-fired flavor with strong bacony notes. It's perfect for burgers, beef, pork, poultry, ribs, and bacon when you desire a robust smoke profile. These premium pellets are crafted from pure hickory hardwood. You get authentic smoke flavor with no fillers, artificial flavors, or additives. They are great for a wide range of grills and smokers. Simply add them to a smoker tube or sprinkle directly onto charcoal for extra flavor. Our pellets deliver strong, clean smoke flavor using only 1/3 to 1/2 cup per use. This helps each bag go a long way while giving you consistent results. These pellets burn hot and clean, producing the thin blue smoke pitmasters love. Elevate your flavor and bring bold barbecue results to your grilling. What we like. For those who crave a strong, classic smoke flavor, this 100% hickory blend is the way to go. It delivers a bold, bacony profile that is perfect for red meats, pork, and poultry. If you are looking for a robust, unmistakable wood-fired taste and want a reliable go-to for your favorite smoked dishes, this is an outstanding choice. What people say. These pellets seem to work great. I've only used them once so far, but they give off a great hickory flavor that is not overpowering for beef. And they seem to burn cleaner than other brands that I have used. These pellets are made from pure hickory wood, with no fillers or additives, and they produce a rich and flavorful smoke that enhances any food you cook on the grill. The pellets are easy to use, just fill the hopper and set the temperature, and they burn evenly and efficiently, leaving minimal ash behind. The resealable bag keeps them fresh and dry, and the 2-pound size is perfect for a single grilling session or a small gathering. Work great for our Ninja Woodfire grill. The package size is the best feature. Other pellet bags are gigantic and they get damp before you even get to use them all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.